Why aren't more people talking about the magic of saving money? Let's break down how you can save $10,000 in just a year. First things first, set a clear goal. Saving $10,000 means about $833 each month. Make this goal realistic and achievable. Next up, track your expenses. Write down your daily spending or use an app. This helps you see where your money goes and where you can cut back. Now, create a budget. List your essentials like rent, groceries, and bills. Then, see how much you can realistically save each month. Time to cut unnecessary expenses. Say goodbye to dining out, unused subscriptions, and impulse buys. Small savings add up over time. Finally, find additional income sources. Try freelancing, part-time jobs, or monetizing your hobbies. Every little bit helps. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to saving $10,000 in a year. Remember, consistency is key. If this was helpful, like and subscribe and share with friends. Let's make saving money a fun challenge together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.